Are you planning a trip to Croatia and you want the best eSIM to stay connected without paying crazy roaming fees? Then you're in the right place. My name's Jeremy, and after testing dozens of eSIMs while traveling today, I'm breaking down the top 2 best eSIM options for Croatia in 2025. So I'm going to cover the pricing, data, and what you actually get. And yes, I've also included discounts just in case you're interested. Links are found in the description below, and we're ready to dive in. So the eSIM provider that I recommend for Croatia is Maya Mobile. If you care about speed and ease, then Maya's plans are a great choice. Everything works on 5G and activates right away. For light users, there's the 3 gig plan for $7.19 or 5 gig for $8.99, both lasting 10 days. For heavier users, you can go with 10 gig for $13.49 or 20 gig for $18.89, and these are some of the best deals that you'll find in Croatia in 2025. For streaming or bigger data needs, there's the 40 gig for $29.69 or an unlimited 10-day pass at $25.19. Maya's website is simple to use. You're just going to choose your destination, pay, and then you're connected. There's no app, and hotspot tethering works instantly. And if you use the link in the description below, you'll get a 10% discount. Now let me explain how to get started with Maya and claim your discount. So when you click the Maya link in the description below, it'll land you on Maya's homepage. Just type in Croatia into the destination search bar, and you'll see the plans that I've mentioned. At checkout, you'll notice a 10% discount already applied, no promo code needed. Complete your payment and a QR code pops up instantly. You're going to go ahead and scan that with your phone, turn on the new eSIM line, and you're online in minutes. Now, if Maya didn't work for you or you're looking for something easy to manage from an app, my next pick is Airalo. Their Cronet plans are simple and affordable. So you can get 1 gig for $4.50, valid for 7 days, which is great for a short trip. Now, if you need a bit more, there's the 2 gig plan for $7, which is going to last 15 days, or 3 gig for $9.50 for 30 days. For longer stays, you've got options too. I mean, there's the 5 gig plan for $13, 10 gig for $21, or 20 gig for $32, all valid for 30 days. Now, they also offer an unlimited 10-day plan for $35. The Airalo app is easy to use. You just buy a plan, scan the QR code, and you're all set. If you run out of data, topping up is quick and simple right in the app. And if you use the link in the description, you're going to get a 10% discount. So which one should you choose? Maya Mobile or Airalo? If you're looking for the best deal, especially for bigger data plans, Maya is the way to go. It costs less per gigabyte and it's really easy to set up. But if you like having everything in one app and you don't mind spending a little bit more, Airalo is a great choice. Its flexible top-up system makes it super convenient. Now, both links are in the description below and have the exclusive 10% discount already applied. Pick the one that fits your trip the best, follow the steps, and you'll be connected in Croatia in just a few minutes. No roaming, no SIM card swaps, no stress. Safe travels, and I'll see you in the next video.